Welcome, guys. Today I am making Jamaica beef pumpkin soup. Oh my goodness, it looks so rich and so good. You won't want to miss this recipe because on Saturday we always cook our soup. Stay tuned for more. Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. We are the Baileys and today I'm making beef pumpkin soup. And you know how we do it in Jamaica on Saturday. So here in this pot I have boiling some beef that I've cut to pieces, smaller pieces, and I put some garlic and salt and let it cook together. And this has been going for 1 hour now, so it's good enough to start putting in the food in the pot. So these are my ingredients that I will be putting in the pot. I have my corn, my pumpkin, my yam, my Irish, my chocho, and carrot, and of course our pumpkin beef noodle. I'm gonna go ahead and start preparing this food for the pot by just scraping and washing and cutting them into smaller pieces. I got this really nice pumpkin from Food Basic, and I was lucky because sometimes it's hard to find pumpkin here. So I'm just cutting out my carrot here into smaller pieces, and then I'm just gonna wash all of this together and add it to the pot. I'm just going to let this boil for a bit and then I can work on my dumplings. So in this bowl I have flour, cornmeal, and a bit of salt, and I'm just gonna knead my dough. Okay, the dough is ready, and so I'll just put them into smaller pieces. I like some of the round ones and some of the spinners as well for my soup. Okay, let's see what I want in this pot here. It's the pumpkin and the carrot is boiling nicely together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put my dumplings in. Everybody make dumpling different. Not true. Don't watch my dumpling, okay, guys? Oh my God! As long as it look like dumpling going in the pot, it's all good. Okay, so the next thing I'm gonna be doing is the peeling my yam, and this is the Jamaica yellow yam. You're lucky when you buy it at the store, and it is good. So this is a good piece of yam that I got, not too bad at all. Now that we wash it, we're just gonna cut it into smaller pieces and add it to the pot. Oh yes, the pot a bubble, the pot a guan. Alright, so now I'm just gonna be washing my corn because this soup is not soup without corn. Gonna add my corn next. Okay, let's give this pot a stir. Guys, the pot is coming along. The soup is looking very good. Just gonna cover it there and let it cook. So all the food in the pot has been cooking for a bit. The yam, the dumpling, carrot, pumpkin, and the beef was well on before all of that is cooking. And now I'm gonna add the softer ground provision, right? That is easily cooked. I didn't want to put these in right away because then it just boils out completely. So like the chocho and the Irish potato. We'll add them to the pot now. Okay, here in this bowl I have a little bit of the soup water in this bowl, and I'm adding hot water from my kettle because I like to mix my noodle out before I add it in the pot. I find when you just throw it into the pot, you know, you have a lot of lumps and it's sticking to your dumplings and your food, and it's not good. Then my second pack is the cock soup. I don't want all this noodle in the pot, so I'm just gonna savor out just the seasoning, and this is very good. So now I'm ready to add my noodle and pumpkin cock and cock soup to the soup, and this will make my soup rich and tasty. Okay, now that I've seasoned the pot, I'm just gonna cover it and let it cook, let my noodles cook and everything. Yes, guys, the soup is ready. Oh my goodness, I just love this color of my soup and everything. It looks so good, and it's also very healthy for you. Lots of vegetable inside. It's time to eat, and I'm excited and happy. I can't wait to eat my dinner, guys. So if you're watching this video and you like it, please subscribe so you can see what our next meal will be. Okay, guys? Bye.